are on our last day here. Hey, there you are. And today I'm hungover.
Violently.
Huh?
Like violently.
But I'm getting myself together now. And we are gonna go to a spot over there called Black Rock Beach. Supposedly, there's a good chance of seeing turtles over there. So let's go grab our snorkel gear and make this dream come true. So we made it to our destination where right over here is the Black Rock you can jump off of. And supposedly it's a good spot for turtles, so let's go. Well, the bad news is this Black Rock Beach didn't really live up to the hype. We didn't see any turtles. There's really not even that many fish over here. You know, so it doesn't even seem like there's much coral for the fish. So we are going to go to another beach, go a little bit north and try to make this magic happen. So here we are on yet another beach. Another beautiful, gorgeous, amazing looking beach. This looks like the most swimmable of the beaches so far. But there's not coral reef like right here. And like another island over there. Another island over there.
Time to love again. Time to love again.
Tasty. Definitely tasty. Look at this. Look at this. Ube colada. Do it up.
You don't want to try it?
Something else?
Yeah, it's delicious.
Pretty yummy. about that, huh? Well, first of all, look at that. Sunset behind me. That pale big parrot. That cute little ass turtle I was just hanging out with. God damn, that was magical. What a successful, very successful sunset. It's good to be in focus here. What to do? Anyway, but yeah, successful. Nice sunset. A little turtle action. Plenty of fish out right now too. That was great. It does seem like it's going to rain. If you look at all these clouds behind us, and there's clouds and stuff over there. It doesn't say anything in the forecast about it. But we're gonna go get ready. And then we're gonna get some nice supper tonight.
Fantastic dinner.
Fantastic. And I'm gonna try not to have ahi because I've had ahi every single day I've been here.
We're gonna have ahi.
We're doing dinner here at this resort. It's just down the road. We could have walked here, but we were pressed for time, so we decided to take an Uber. I don't know if you can see from here, but this place right there has penguins. Look, they got penguins in this place. 2 penguins right there just hanging out. Pretty damn cool if you ask me. Tonight's dinner, the Sun Steakhouse. You gotta live it up sometime. I see a rack of lamb in my future. And it has a waterfall. Rack o' lamb, lobster mac and cheese. Jesus Christ, that one.
No, lobster ravioli.
No, lobster ravioli. Hey, I'm learning.
That's mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese and onion rings. Damn, this shit looks so danky. Once again, it is about 5:40 in the morning. The hell was that? It's about 5:40 in the morning. The sun should be coming up here really soon. I am not gonna waste another minute in that bed. Hey, it's you again. Hey, what's up, buddy? Goddamn cat. Every morning I've seen that cat. I'm gonna lay down on the sand here for a little bit. And I know yesterday was magical. And maybe I should just leave it at that and have my last time snorkeling in this water be remembered as that magical memory. But I'm gonna go back out here and snorkel once more. We don't have to leave here till about like 9-ish. So I'm gonna give this snorkeling thing one last chance and see if we can't see some more turtles. shit. So, the second I got into the water, there was a turtle right here. Went out a little bit with it. But it started going out, so I let it do its thing. Turned my head 2 seconds later, and there was a goddamn sea lion right there. Woo! Woo-hoo! Now we're talking. Now we're talking. I gotta admit though, that was a little scary because I did not expect to see a sea lion. I thought for a second it was a goddamn shark. Whew. That was awesome. And that concludes the vacation. We had a lovely and grand time. This is absolutely a place we'll definitely come back to because we loved it. We loved just about every minute of it, except for the driving part. But everything else was worth it. This island is beautiful. Some of the best snorkeling you could ever imagine. I mean, it's just beautiful. There's nothing else that needs to be said except it's beautiful. We'll be back. Thank you for watching this adventure of my first time to Hawaii. For yours truly and yours truly, it's been real. Thanks for watching. You know, if you want to subscribe or if you want to like, that'd be great. Until next time, catch you on the flip side.